guys, in this video we are going to make a crazy moving robot. Let's see how to make it. Let's go on to the video. Now you can see how it works. Let's go on to the video. Now we will see what are the accessories required to make a crazy robot. A pop-up candy stick or the ice cream sticks, a wire as much required for circuiting it, a battery connector or the cap, a 9-volt battery, a DC motor, a switch and a piece of a small cardboard and a pen. First we will start making the body of the crazy robot. I am taking an ice cream stick. Let us cut the edges of the ice cream stick. Let's seam this of 4 equal parts. We have cut the 4 equal parts and then now we will cut like this. Like this into 4. Let us cut it. By using this, we are going to make the leg of the crazy moving robot. I am taking this one. Now we will take a glue and we will fix it like this. See? On the 4 base, we will stick like this. Now we will glue it. I have made the 4 parts. 4 legs of the crazy robot is ready. Now we will fix it with the battery. Let's start gluing it. We have to fix it like this. Like this. Same on the other side. We have fixed it. Now we'll fix the DC motor in front of it. Now we'll have the normal battery. Now and this we'll insert it to the switch. Now we have almost completed. Take a look at the circuits. Then now we'll fix the top head onto the top of the DC motor. Then now we'll fix the end. Now we have completed the we have completed making a crazy moving robot. You can see it. Now let's see the working of a crazy robot. Let's switch on it. You are able to see the working of it. Thanks for watching our video. Please give a like, share, subscribe our channel, Simplify Invention, and click the bell icon to get the immediate notification when we upload any videos.